Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. It's the car Enzo Ferrari once called the most beautiful car ever made, and in 1972, Jaguar took it to another level. Today, we're diving deep into a true British icon, the 1972 Jaguar E-Type Series 3, powered by a monstrous V12 engine. Let's explore what made this classic a legend, inside and out. Exterior. By 1972, the E-Type had evolved into its final and most powerful form, the Series 3. Visually, this version was larger and more muscular than its predecessors, designed to house the new 5.3-liter V12 engine. You'll immediately notice a wider track, flared wheel arches, and a revised front grille to improve airflow to that thirsty V12. The classic lines are still there: long bonnet, short rear deck, but everything feels a touch more mature. Chrome bumpers add to the elegance, and depending on your market, the headlights may be uncovered, a change from earlier designs. And of course, that discreet yet proud V12 badge on the tail, a quiet reminder that this cat has claws. Interior. Step inside the E-Type Series 3, and you're met with an interior that reflects both luxury and simplicity, a grand tourer with true British sensibility. The leather bucket seats were redesigned for better comfort on long drives. The dashboard is driver-focused, featuring a beautiful array of Smith's gauges, oil pressure, water temperature, battery charge, and a central tachometer and speedometer. Everything is analog, purposeful, and mechanical. The wood-rimmed steering wheel adds warmth, and the toggle switches on the center console feel like something straight out of a vintage aircraft. It's intimate, refined, and unmistakably classic. It's a driver's car, analog, tactile, and engaging. The 4-speed manual transmission feels weighty and deliberate, offering a strong connection between man and machine. And thanks to that iconic glass hatch, rearward visibility is surprisingly decent for a sports car of this era. But what really sets the 1972 E-Type apart is what lies under that endless bonnet: a 5.3-liter V12 engine, producing 272 horsepower and 304 pound-feet of torque. Performance. Originally derived from Jaguar's racing program, the V12 brought new life to the E-Type. It was smooth, powerful, and delivered effortless acceleration. With a 0 to 60 time just under 7 seconds and a top speed of 150 miles per hour, the Series 3 was more GT than pure sports car, but it didn't lack performance. Handling was improved with a longer wheelbase and wider track. Power-assisted steering came standard, making the E-Type more manageable at low speeds. And with independent suspension all around and ventilated disc brakes, it held its own on twisty backroads as well as motorways. The 1972 Jaguar E-Type V12 wasn't just a beautiful face, it was a statement. A luxurious, powerful GT car that carried the E-Type legacy into the 1970s with grace and grit. It marked the end of an era, the last true E-Type before emissions regulations and changing tastes reshaped the sports car world. But even today, over 50 years later, the Series 3 still turns heads and stirs souls. If you ever get the chance to drive one, do it. Few cars offer this kind of romance, performance, and presence all in one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this classic car deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what's your favorite vintage GT car? Until next time, keep driving classics.